Welcome, Class 11 students, to an exciting journey into the world of chemical equilibrium. Today, we are unraveling a fascinating concept, the common ion effect. This principle explains how adding a specific ion can dramatically alter the behavior of chemical systems. We'll start with the basics, then dive into its role in buffers, solubility, and even advanced applications in chemistry. Get ready for a 4-level challenge, from easy explanations to G-main level insights. Ready to discover a simple yet powerful idea in chemistry? Let's explore the common ion effect, of what it is and how it works. The common ion effect is quite straightforward. Imagine a weak acid or a sparingly soluble salt. When you introduce a common ion, an ion that's already part of that weak acid or salt, into the solution, something interesting happens. This added ion suppresses the original substance's ability to dissociate or dissolve. It's like adding more people to an already crowded room, it pushes others out. This principle is fundamental to understanding many chemical reactions and processes. This effect is a direct application of Le Chatelier's principle. Think of acetic acid, a weak acid, in water. It establishes an equilibrium between its undissociated form and its ions. If we then add sodium acetate, which provides more acetate ions, the common ion, the system gets disturbed. To re-establish balance, the equilibrium shifts, causing more acetic acid to remain undissociated, thus reducing the concentration of H+ ions and increasing the pH. This simple shift has profound consequences. Now that you understand the basics, here are 3 practice questions to test your grasp. Take a moment to think about them. How would adding a common ion impact a weak acid, a weak base, or a sparingly soluble salt? Good luck! Let's deepen our understanding of the common ion effect. We'll explore its significance in more detail and see its crucial role in practical applications. The common ion effect isn't just a theoretical concept, it's a cornerstone of many chemical phenomena. It explains why weak acids and bases ionize less in the presence of their conjugate salts, and why sparingly soluble salts become even less soluble. This effect is powerful because it allows us to control the extent of dissociation or solubility simply by adjusting the concentration of a common ion. It's a fundamental tool for chemists. One of the most significant applications of the common ion effect is in the creation of buffer solutions. Buffers are mixtures of a weak acid and its conjugate base, or a weak base and its conjugate acid. The common ion effect ensures that both the weak acid base and its conjugate are present in substantial amounts, allowing the buffer to absorb added acid or base without drastic pH changes. This stability is vital in biological systems and industrial processes. Beyond buffers, the common ion effect also plays a critical role in controlling the solubility of sparingly soluble salts. Imagine a solid salt in equilibrium with its ions in solution. If you introduce a common ion from another source, the equilibrium shifts, causing more of the solid salt to precipitate out. This property is used in various chemical processes, such as water treatment to remove unwanted ions or in analytical chemistry for selective precipitation. You've now explored the common ion effect's role in buffers and solubility. Here are 5 questions to challenge your understanding. Think about how the effect influences different chemical systems and its practical implications. Take your time to formulate your answers. Ready to tackle the quantitative aspects? Let's dive into calculations and connect the common ion effect to other key equilibrium concepts. At the hard level, we move beyond qualitative descriptions to quantitative calculations. For weak electrolytes, the common ion effect allows us to precisely calculate the change in pH or pOH. By using the acid or base dissociation constant and the initial concentrations of both the weak electrolyte and the common ion, we can solve for the equilibrium concentrations. This involves setting up ice tables and solving quadratic equations, which is a common task in GMAT. Similarly, for sparingly soluble salts, the common ion effect allows us to calculate the exact reduction in solubility. Using the solubility product constant, Candace score SP, and the concentration of the added common ion, we can determine the new equilibrium concentration of the less abundant ion, which directly corresponds to the salt's solubility. These calculations are critical for predicting precipitation or dissolution in complex solutions, a key skill for competitive exams. The common ion effect is intricately linked to buffer capacity. A buffer's ability to resist pH change depends on the concentrations of its weak acid base and conjugate base acid. Higher concentrations mean greater capacity. The common ion effect is what establishes and maintains these crucial concentrations. Furthermore, we differentiate its impact on weak versus strong electrolytes, noting its negligible effect on the latter due to their complete dissociation. We also consider limitations like ionic strength effects. You've now delved into quantitative calculations and deeper connections. Here are 7 challenging questions. These problems require careful application of equilibrium principles, including Candace score, Candace score B, and Candace score SP, along with the common ion effect. Good luck! Welcome to the hardest level. Here, we'll explore the most complex applications, theoretical underpinnings, and competitive exam depth of the common ion effect. Get ready for a deep dive. The common ion effect is a cornerstone in advanced analytical chemistry, particularly in techniques like selective precipitation. Imagine a mixture of metal ions. By precisely controlling the concentration of a common precipitating ion, often achieved through buffer systems, we can selectively precipitate one ion while leaving others in solution. This is vital for separating and identifying components in complex mixtures, a technique used extensively in laboratories and industries. One of the most profound insights from the common ion effect is its role in deriving the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. This equation, pH is equal to pK plus log, conjugate base, weak acid, quantitatively describes buffer solutions. It directly emerges from the weak acid dissociation equilibrium, where the common ion effect defines the concentrations of the conjugate base. Understanding this derivation solidifies your grasp of both buffer chemistry and equilibrium principles, essential for G Advanced. While powerful, the common ion effect has nuances. At high ionic strengths, the simple concentration-based calculations become less accurate due to changes in activity coefficients. Furthermore, the effect can be counteracted by complexation. If the common ion can form soluble complex ions with one of the species, it can actually increase the solubility, reversing the expected effect. For example, adding excess chloride to silver chloride can eventually lead to the formation of soluble chlorocomplexes, increasing silver's apparent solubility. This highlights the intricate balance of multiple equilibria. The common ion effect holds immense industrial and biological relevance. In water treatment, it's employed to precipitate heavy metal contaminants. In pharmaceuticals, it controls drug solubility and release rates. Geochemists use it to understand mineral formation and dissolution. From preventing scale buildup in pipes to ensuring the stability of biological fluids, this principle underpins countless real-world applications, showcasing the practical power of chemical equilibrium. Mastering this concept opens doors to understanding many chemical engineering and biochemical processes. You've now explored the common ion effect at its most challenging. Here are 5 advanced questions to test your comprehensive understanding, covering derivations, complex scenarios, and intricate calculations. Take your time to analyze each problem thoroughly. Let's continue with the remaining 5 questions. These problems demand a deep conceptual understanding, analytical rigor, and the ability to apply multiple chemical principles simultaneously. This is the level of mastery required for top performance in G Main and Advanced. Give them your best shot. And that concludes our deep dive into the common ion effect. We started with the basics, explored its role in buffers and solubility, tackled quantitative calculations, and finally, delved into its advanced applications and theoretical nuances. We hope this journey has been enlightening and has equipped you with a solid understanding for your GMAIN preparation. For more such comprehensive educational content and to master complex topics, visit synapse.omaps.in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for regular updates and more engaging lessons. Keep learning, keep exploring, and excel in your studies.